Chrysler Town Country. I have a check engine light on, and the code is P0523, engine oil pressure sensor. Switch A high. So what we've done is change the oil, and we also changed the filter. I cleared the codes and then I ran the vehicle, and this light still is on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace that oil pressure sensor. So this is gonna take me about 15-20 minutes to do this all on my own. I've opened up the hood. Next thing we're gonna do is take this glamour cover off. And that's just gonna pop off. So to get back to the oil pressure sending unit, we have the battery right here, and then you can see we're gonna come down here and we're going to go down. You can see these silver wires here. So you'll come back off of those wires. There's a clip here you're gonna end up squeezing. It's really tight down here. So I'm gonna slide my fingers in. I'll feel that brass piece right there, and then I'm gonna slide my fingers back, and then I'm gonna disconnect that connection. You're just going to reach in, you're going to push down on a connector here, clip. You push that in. Don't just grab the wires and pull, because you don't want to disconnect any of those wires and have them become loose from the fitting there. So you're going to push on that, and then you're going to put your finger behind it, and then you're going to pull it out. Most of the pressure is going to be from the back of that connector, and pull that out. I've popped that free, and you can see that in our oil pressure sending unit is right back there. And so that's the cover. We're gonna stick that socket on top of that, and then we're gonna remove that. So here's that special socket. It's really deep, as you can see. It allows this connection to fit inside there, and it's just gonna fit over, and then you will just unscrew that. You're also gonna notice, once you remove this, is that this is rounded. There's no hard edges on it, so a standard socket's not gonna work. So you need to get a special socket, and they're only like 10 or 12 bucks. So then next, after you have that, you're going to take this socket and you're going to come in and you're going to put it on top of that sensor. And as you can see, I have that socket in place, so we're going to stick the extender on there, and then we're just going to loosen that up and take that out. So now we've removed it, and we're going to pull that out, and there's that oil pressure sending unit. So here's the old oil pressure sensor. Here's the new one. I did get this one at Napa. It was like $60. You might be able to find it cheaper at a different auto parts store. Definitely probably find it online. So I'm getting this replaced real quickly here on my own, and the reason why I'm doing this is it's as simple as disconnecting this, putting a socket over it and unscrewing it, and then starting this one up by hand, putting the socket over and tighten it back up, and then putting the connector on. They're going to tell you, because it says in the service manual, that you got to take the intake off, and you don't have to go through and do all that. They're going to try to charge you an hour and a half a time at $100 whatever, and they're going to charge you $150. And all they're going to do, put a socket over that, unscrew it, and then screw the new one back in, and it's going to take them 20 minutes, and you're going to get charged 150 bucks. So this is in there, and again, you're going to push down, pull from the back. You're going to slide your socket over that. Once you have that in, you're going to take your extension and click that in there, and then you're just going to unscrew that like you typically would. Once that's loose, it will pull the whole thing out. Once you have that done, all you're going to do is take your new one, and you're going to put your hands in. It's pretty hard fit. You're going to get in there, you're going to start this up by hand. Once you have that, you will put your socket over the top of that one as well, and now you just go the other way, tighten it back down. When you're all done, all you're going to do is take that connector, and you're going to put it back over, click, and you'll be done. Then you're going to clear the codes, and you're going to drive it around, and hopefully that is that's the fix. So otherwise you're going to have to look into other issues. So hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.